Introduction to SEO. Hi, my name is Sam. This video is going over the basics of search engine optimization, and it's coming at it as if someone knew nothing about SEO, and just to give a framework for what is SEO, why does it matter, and then going forward, we'll go deeper into these topics. First, what is SEO? So SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's the process of improving a website, or traditionally it's with a website, but it's growing into directories and social profiles and beyond just websites. But it's the process of improving a website's visibility in search engines like Google. SEO helps websites or positions websites to rank higher in search results to drive more traffic to that website. Why is it important? Tons of online experiences start with a search. Some studies say it's as high as 93%. That might be generous, but either way, a lot of people look up things. And whether that's through Google or ChatGPT or TikTok or Pinterest, oftentimes we are searching for something, or heck, Netflix. You're looking for a movie and you're typing in different types of movies or categories or whatever. We search for a lot of things, and we want to position ourselves to show up at the top of those search results. Better SEO means more visibility, which in theory will lead to more traffic and more potential sales for your business, whether that's a local service business, whether it's an e-commerce business, whether it's whatever you're trying to sell or to drive people to. SEO helps with that. It also typically is more cost effective than paid ads for long-term success. Part of this is because SEO builds upon itself, and so with an ad, you're running the ad, and when it runs, it's done, and you need to run another ad to keep going. With SEO, you put up a great page or a great blog post or a great video, and that one video will continue to exist. That blog post will continue to exist, and it can drive multiple people over time, and it can actually help. If you have a video that does well, you have a blog post that does well, it can help other pages on your website to grow, or on your YouTube channel or TikTok or whatever it might be. What is a search engine? A search engine, it's an online tool that helps people find information on the internet. It allows users to enter keywords or phrases known as queries, and that will then pull up information that they're looking for. It returns a relevant list of websites or resources. So most traditionally, you'd think of Google, Bing, Yahoo, if you're in the US at least, as search engines. But there's, again, lots of like TikTok and Pinterest and YouTube also are all search engines, or at least they have a strong search component to them. Whenever we're looking up something, that's pulling results. How do search engines work? This is a very, very, very brief overview of this, but basically search engines will crawl websites or content, and just to see what is this site about, what is this video about, what is this blog post about. They will then index that content that's stored in a giant index or database. And basically, if someone were searching for what is SEO, then Google or YouTube or whomever would have go up in their database and look at all of their SEO sites and videos that they have indexed, and that's what it is. It's storing it. Hey, this video or this blog post is about this topic. And then there's ranking. So now they've crawled all these websites, they've indexed them, and now they have to rank them. So how does Google determine what, if someone searches for what is SEO, what results that they're going to show at the top? Or if someone searches for red running shoes, which running shoes get to go at the top? Google has an algorithm that has many, many, many variables that are often changing, or at least getting slight adjustments. Sometimes they're major adjustments. But Google has an algorithm that ranks websites based on their relevance, based on their quality, based on user experience, based on lots of different variables. And then they tie that together with the search term, and in some cases the user search history, to show them relevant results. And so that's the whole game of it, is can we learn how Google or YouTube or Pinterest algorithm works, and then based off of what we know, let's make sure that we're optimizing our website, blogs, videos, pins, to best position ourselves to show up when someone searches for something that we want to show up for. SEO benefits, higher visibility. If you're showing up for more things, people are seeing your products and services, they're seeing your brand, you get increased traffic, more people are going to come to your website, and the more people that are on your site, the more potential buyers or clients that you have. And you typically get increased credibility. People trust organic results more than paid ads. Not that paid ads don't work, but many people, myself included, oftentimes will scroll past the paid ads to get to the organic results, because there is some level of work that goes into obviously getting at the top of search results, where technically more or less anyone could run an ad and get right to the top, but I don't know if they're good or bad or indifferent. So those are SEO benefits. Last thing then, just give an example here. Let's get out of this. So looking at a search result, this is Google. I Google plumber near me. I'm going to move myself over here quickly. So Google plumber near me, we want to get at the top of the search result. So I'm going to do a different video that goes into just analyzing a search result page. But quickly here, so you have ads up here. These are local service ads that plumbers can run, and they can show up here. You have traditional pay-per-click ads right here. Then you have the Google business profile. Sometimes you'll get an ad in here as well, but all of them, these results in the Google Map Pack or Google business profiles, these are organic results. And then scrolling down further, you start to get into actual websites. You have the people also ask here. Then you have, Roto-Rooter here, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dalmatian Plumbing, Mr. Plumber Atlanta. These are all then organic results. And this is what we would be aiming for from an SEO perspective. We want to get our website to the top of these results. We also would love to get in the people also ask section. That can be helpful. And from a local service perspective or local business perspective, we would really like to as well get into the Google Map Pack. In the perfect world, you can get in the Map Pack and you can maybe grab some of these people also ask questions, and you would have these the traditional organic results here. So that's what SEO is. That's why we're trying to do it. We will break this down further as we go on.